There's been a massive jump of COVID cases across India. Another grim reminder that COVID hasn't gone anywhere while we enter 2022. The country's reported 22,775 new cases and 406 deaths in the last 24 hours. Several states across India reported a huge spike in COVID numbers on New Year Eve. Maharashtra is the worst hit state with 8,067 COVID cases, followed by West Bengal and Kerala. The country's Omicron tally reached 1,431, with Maharashtra recording the highest cases of 454, followed by Delhi at 351 and Tamil Nadu at 118. A total of 488 people have recovered from the new variant till date. In a bid to contain the spread of the virus, several states have, of course, already issued COVID curbs. The Mumbai police has now prohibited citizens from visiting beaches, sea faces, gardens or any other public place from 5 p.m. till 5 a.m. Essentially a night curfew that goes on till January 15th. Section 144 has also been extended till January 15th. Tamil Nadu, meanwhile, has imposed fresh restrictions in the state till January 31st. There will be no in-person classes for students of grades 1 to 8 till January 10th. Play schools, nursery schools, sports schools, all of those have also been denied permission to operate. Restaurants, theatres, entertainment and amusement parks will be allowed with half occupancy.
44 new cases have been reported, and so total 107 positive cases, and out of which one was, and the first case is negative, and he has left the CFLTC. And we are doing strict monitoring, surveillance, and we are sending the samples for genomic surveillance, and we are doing sentinel surveillance also.
Let's get you a ground report now from different cities on the Omicron crisis and also about the kind of curbs that have been put in place. Here are ground reports by our reporters.
With spike in Omicron cases across the country, there has been a spree of vigilance mechanism that is put in place. Despite so, the spike continues. The national capital right now is second after Maharashtra with the maximum Omicron cases, as the tally has crossed the 1400 mark. The Delhi government has also asked that any person with fever should be treated as COVID positive. This is the kind of measures that's being taken in place, and in Delhi as well, the number of containment zones have gone up drastically in the month of December due to this spike, taking the total count to 102. With video journalist Alok Das from the national capital, this is Shreya Chatterjee for India Today.
Due to increasing number of coronavirus cases, the situation is very critical in the state of Maharashtra. The major concern is the city of Mumbai, where highest cases have been reported. In last 24 hours, over 5,400 cases were reported in the city of Mumbai. And let me tell you, the highest cases of Omicron are also been detected in Mumbai and Maharashtra. Section 144 is imposed in the city of Mumbai, while major important places and the public places like the sea faces, beaches, public garden, all are completely restricted for common people from 5 p.m. to morning 5 a.m. For marriages, only 50 people are allowed, and also for final rites, only 20 people are allowed. Now, the Maharashtra government sources are clearly telling us that if such continuous rise in coronavirus cases happens, then there can be a lockdown situation as well. Continuous monitoring has been done, and an appeal is made to people that if only necessary, then only they should leave their home. With camera person Vijay Desai, this is Saurav Vakhtania in Mumbai for India Today.
And India Today also spoke to pediatrician Dr. Dhiren Gupta about the sudden spike in COVID cases across India and how dangerous really this new variant is. Here's an excerpt of that conversation.
What is the situation for patients looking like who are getting infected with the Omicron? Because Delhi, just like Maharashtra, is also reporting a high surge of Omicron cases.
We are facing COVID. We don't know whether it is Omicron or whether it is in a Delta wave. Now, again, to differentiate as a public is very difficult unless we do micro-sequencing. But of course, what we know by our data, what is been provided by Delhi government, around 40 to 50% are Omicron, right?
Right.
Now, this is going to be difficult because we all know that Omicron is milder and Delta can be severe. But we need to watch for our symptom. We need to watch for the severe symptom in any given patient. That is the bottom line.
Preparations are on in full swing as India gears up to vaccinate teenagers. From today, the age group of 15 to 18-year-olds can book their slot on the CoWIN website. Right now, the CoWIN platform will have only one option, Bharat Biotech's Covaxin, because Zydus, though approved, is currently only going to be given to adults first. The Health Ministry in its guidelines has made it clear that one mobile can be used to register 4 members of a family. Teenagers can also walk into the nearest approved centre for vaccination. This will be decided by the state governments as to exactly which centres will vaccinate teens. The vaccination drive for them will begin in 2 days from now on 3rd January.